Hi, my wonderful chefs. I hope you're all hungry. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to make a quick and simple cheese omelet. It's really straightforward. All you need are a couple eggs, a dash of water, milk or cream, and some shredded cheese. I prefer cheddar because I like the flavor and how easily it melts. Choose whatever cheese you like or leave it out. It's entirely up to you. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. What do they say? You can't make an omelet without cracking some eggs. So let's begin by cracking some eggs. Now, they tell you you shouldn't ever really use the side of the bowl like I'm doing here because you could get bacteria into the egg and the shell will wind up in the eggs as well, but I just do it on the side of the bowl. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, and then what you want to do is whisk it with a whisk or your fork, and then I'm adding in maybe a 1/4 cup of water just to thicken it up a little bit. It makes them a little fluffier. I used to use milk, but I kind of don't use milk anymore. You could use anything. Hit your frying pan with some non-stick cooking spray, and then pour in the eggs. Here I am mixing it around. I had preheated the skillet before I started cooking it. I suggest you preheat the skillet. There's many techniques to making an omelet, but what I'm doing is I'm pulling the curdled or cooked yolk egg towards the center of the skillet and letting the non-cooked liquid part of the egg fill in the sides. That way you can get like even cooking. The insides are done as the outside gets cooked. And then we're going to wind up flipping this eventually, but I'm trying to smear around the uncooked liquidy egg to get that pushed out to the side so that it heats up on the side of the skillet. The center does not get overcooked using this method. I mean, unless you cook it for minutes and minutes and minutes. But as long as you're letting the center fill up, it doesn't get overcooked as the outside perimeter gets finished. Here I flipped it successfully, thankfully. Pour on your cheese and then cover it with half of the omelet, like this. Now all we're really doing, because the egg is pretty much cooked. I didn't do so good here. We're trying to melt the cheese at this point. We're trying to get like even cheese distribution. Set it to a plate. Feel free to add sour cream, salsa, ketchup. Enjoy. If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.